Mackinley Hill is a 50-hectare urban township located in Fort Bonifacio, Taguig City, previously a military base. It features a predominantly Italian-themed sustainable community that blends residential, office, commercial, recreational, and institutional spaces into a mini city. Among the sponsors township in Metro Manila, McKinley Hill offers the most diverse selection of residential options, including lots in the exclusive McKinley Hill Village, villa-type enclaves, gated condominium clusters, and high-rise tower. The area is also noted for its campus-style office buildings, all accredited as PESA, a special economic zone for IT, similar to those in Silicon Valley. The majority of the businesses in these offices focus on software development, data service, customer support, call center, and IT support. Central to the McKinley Hill is Venice Piazza and the Venice Grand Canal Mall, featuring a man-made replica of Venice waterways and the Ponce Rialto Bridge. The mall provides gondola rides with singing gondoliers, contributing to its reputation as the most romantic mall in the Philippines. Flanking the canal are various restaurants, bars, and multi-level verandas offering scenic views of the waterway. Way back in 2017, the mall received the Best Retail Architectural Design award at the Philippine Property Awards. The beautiful lady. Okay, sige. Hello. Kapag naghahanap kayo ng fast food, ito marami dito. Yan. Meron din siyang marketplace. Yan, meron bread talk. National bookstore. Maraming kainan dito guys. Yan, makikita nyo. Diba? Oh, may Sparrow. Diba ha? Ano dito? Hindi ka naman magugutom dito. Ito yung mga budget meal. Laki yun. Daming area na makikita dito. Yung style. Wow, masarap. Pasok tayo dyan, tara. New York style pizza. Order tayo nyo guys. Mura dito. Marketplace. Okay na tayo. Yan. Galing tayo dyan kanina. O tara, let's go. Kain na tayo sa labas. Oo. Now, if you find the locations of food court, we had a good dining experience here in SNR and Ken Rogers together with my family. Kain na ka ng ice cream. Gusto nyo kumain ng ice cream? Kain na kayo ng ice cream.
Ito na kasi natin.
Hey Rian! Dahil yung pagkain, no? Hindi ba na-uumpisa? Oh, ganda oh. Well, ito na-order natin sa SNR oh. Dalawa na siya, 999. Grabe, ang laki. 18 inches. Ano? Tapos yan pa. Wow!
O ano nga ako sa
Chicken, may rice, may pork chop. Nice. Mag-pray muna tayo. Okay, sandukan na. Teka tayo guys. Happy weekend. Dito kami ngayon sa McKinley Hills. Grand Canal. Venice Grand Canal Mall, also known as Venice Piazza, is a shopping center at McKinley Hill located at Taguig, Metro Manila. It is well known for its replica of Macau and Italy's Grand Canals. A visit to the mall will give you the feel of wandering around the shopping center of Venice. Hindi na nakain. Sobrang puso. Speaking the Grand Canal in Venice famous, the Grand Canal of Venice is more than just a landmark. It is a testament to the city's rich history, a vibrant artistic hub, and an architectural spectacle. It is blend of history and beauty that makes it a top-rated and global research destination. Wow, yun yung napili niya. Oh. Ayos na rin. Okay. Umulan umaraw. Hindi mababasa ang paa. Diba? Yan naman tayo sa rubber shoes. Matipuan tayo dito. Oh, nakabili din tayo dito. Dito lang pala eh. Daming hahanapan. Dito lang pala sa ano, Makinil makakakita. Board balance lang pala ang kailangan. Bababa na tayo. Dito muna tayo. Punta muna tayo sa kay Idol Puma. Sponsor tayo niyan eh. Tapos si Puma, ito Puma. Yan yung nag-sponsor sa atin, oh. Ito nga pala yung nag-sponsor sa atin ng Puma. Puma. Sa shoes pa rin tayo. Ang bago. Wow! Titas, titingin. Baka may matipuhan tayo dito eh. Iron Man guys. Iron Man. Idol ko yan eh. Beautiful shoes. Bag, walang bag. Ito ang bag. Ganda ng bag. Oh, si Doraemon, no? Doraemon. Super Park. Hello, Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Yan. Electric bike yan. Kunin na natin. Okay, so 27,500 per month. Okay? Take note, mas mahal pa siya sa motor ha. Kala ko 27k, pwede na natin take out eh. Sayang. Basta tayo guys. Kami ngayon dito sa Venice. Isa-shoutout ka pala natin si Nixel at saka si Rosette. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan po. Si Rosette at saka si Nixel. Isa sa ating bagong kaibigan. Nandito kami sa Venice, McKinley Hills from Landray Motovlogs. Kay Benz, isa sa ating bagong kaibigan. Nandito kami sa McKinley Hills, Taguig City from Landray Motovlogs. At nga pala kay Miss Rainier, isa sa ating bagong kaibigan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Mandaluyong City from Landray Motovlogs. At nga pala kay Miss Luna, isa sa ating bagong kaibigan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sun Life Fort Bonifacio BGC from Landray Motovlogs. Shoutout nga pala sa ating kaibigan si Ray. Nandito kami ngayon sa Binyang Laguna. Sir Archie, isa sa ating bagong kaibigan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Parañaque City from Landray Motovlogs. Okay.